If you're tired of the pollution, dirt, and dullness of your dashboard, and you want to see the leather and plastic parts of your car shining and glossy like new, even at home and with the tools that are available, join us until the end of this video. If you want to receive the latest and most varied tutorials, like and subscribe us and hit the bell to be the first to know. Be sure to share your comments with us.
To make this miraculous solution, you only need industrial alcohol, liquid paraffin, and a few drops of whitener. We combine all the ingredients pour them into a container that can be sprayed. Spray it on the desired area and gently wipe with a clean sponge or cloth. You can use the solution on the plastic parts of the car and even the leather covers of the seats. After using it yourself, you will notice the difference before and after.
Thank you for choosing our channel to watch. Don't miss the next videos.